Chief Executive John Lee called on foreign investors to make good use of the city as a super connector for their Belt and Road projects and pledged to continue providing world-class infrastructure and professional services to facilitate trade. Delivering the opening remarks for the Belt and Road Summit, Lee said the SAR, positioned as China's most open and international city, is perfect to play a pivotal role in realizing the visionary goal of the initiative.
Investors around the world, and that includes over 2,700 family offices here, can take full advantage of Hong Kong and its broad range of professional services, from financial and legal services to architectural, engineering, logistics, and more for their Belt and Road projects. These services thrive in Hong Kong thanks to our robust legal system and the rule of law under our one country, two systems principle.
Last year, Belt and Road economies accounted for more than 43% of Hong Kong's external trade in value, said the city leader, lauding the enormous potential and promise of the initiative. Also attending the summit, Financial Secretary Paul Chen encouraged participating countries to explore the city's financial possibilities.
This is evident in our deep and extensive stock market, with a capitalization of about $4 trillion. We welcome companies and projects from the Belt and Road economies to come to Hong Kong to list on our stock exchange, where they could get access to both mainland and international capital.
Chen also highlighted the SAR's position as Asia's premier fundraising hub, calling on businesses to collaborate with the city for more opportunities. Quentin Yang, Cable News.